Everybody, 2000 trains here, and today we're at Southall, located on the Great Western Main Line, where you'll be seeing services from Heathrow Express, TfL Rail, otherwise known as the Elizabeth Line, and Great Western Railway. This is probably the only station in London that is bilingual. The translation is down below in respect to the Punjab community within Southall. If you go to the restaurants on the street, if you go to the street, that is. In fact, let me quit yapping as we have an IET thundering through. Since I'm not able to get the numbers that properly, what I'll do, since real-time trains shows the running number of each train. Oh, shut up.
Is there to protect us all. Some exemptions apply. Please be considerate and remember that exemptions may not always be visible or obvious.
Thank you for that common sense announcement. Anyways, as I was saying, if you go onto the streets of Southall, you'll see plenty of restaurants such as the Punjabi Junction, the Taste of Punjab, and many more. Not only is the Punjabi culture prevalent in this area, but this area is also home to the largest Sikh community in London. One of these days I should try some of their cuisines and see how it tastes. I haven't tasted Indian food before, but I'm sure it'll be fun. I've already tried Chinese, Nigerian, Italian, American, and that's in the form of pizzas and stuff. So yeah, that's just a side note. So without any more awkward commentary, let the train spotting commence. Not sure what that train was. 1515. Let me go and see what train that was. 1515. That was a service from London Paddington to Bedwin, and we're going to have a Great Western 387 series about to thunder through. Better stand the hell back. This train's going 90 miles per hour. 387 160. Accompanied with 387 171, and that's working a service from Didcot Parkway to London Paddington. Alright, incoming in is the TfL rail service from London Paddington to Heathrow Terminal 5. Or, no, it's Hazen Hollington. My bad. This is 345003. Okay, about to thunder through is a Heathrow Express 387. And why did I say 8? It's a dual header. Don't know what the running numbers are because they're quite far away from me. And I think this train is now ready to depart on the 1520 service or the 1519 service to Hazen Hollington. And I think I should play it because there's going to be a 90 about to thunder through. Otherwise known as the Great Western Cucumber. And here she comes. It's a dual pairing. That train came from, where did it come from? It came from Exeter, St David's to London Paddington. The lights are still on. Oh, they're off, and now this train's ready to go. Lovely. So here goes the 1519 service to Hazen Hollington, and I repeated that twice. Jolly good. It's quite an epic view right there. Seeing only the face of the train and not the sides of it. It's quite epic. Alright, incoming is the 1523 TfL rail service from Heathrow Terminals 5 to London Paddington. And good, my eyes are going to be stretched because there's also going to be another train that's going to thunder through. So whenever the Great Western Cucumber is ready to pass through. Alright, 387. 387 150? Don't know what's on the rail. 387 something 145. I think that's it. 145. This is 345032. Welcome to service to London Paddington. Alright, departing now is the 1523 service from Heathrow Terminal 5 to London Paddington. Whenever the train is ready, green lights are off. The orange lights, I don't know what they really are called, but they're ready to go. And the next stop for this train is Hanwell.
Please be considerate and remember that extensions will not be visible or
Oh, and we have a Heathrow Express service from Heathrow Terminal 5 or Terminal 4 to London Paddington. Don't know what the hell those numbers are. And yes, it was from Terminal 5. So we all know who's going to win that race. Alright, incoming in here is the 1528 service from London Paddington to Reading. 345016. And given the amount of space left between the end of platform 3 and the rear end of that train, I think this is a 7-coach version. Okay, we have another fast train about to come through here from Great Western Railway. This is a service from Bristol Temple Meads to London Paddington. I should probably drop the London Paddington because that's where all these trains will be going through. Will be going to, that is. Until Crossrail has finished its final step, which is the tunnelled section from London Paddington to either Canary Wharf or Woolwich. Custom House is overground, but it's still in the underground section. Let's just assume that Custom House is magically underground. So yeah, up to Woolwich, let's say that, and up to Whitechapel or London Liverpool Street. I don't know where the tunnel end on that side is. I think with my waffling, this train should be ready to go any second now. Whatever. Okay, departing is the 1528 service from London Paddington to Reading, the place of the festivals, as I've called it. And I hear noises from the tracks, so that's one of the Great Western Cucumbers. Welcome to service to one of the most prestigious towns in the UK and also home to one of the greatest universities in the world, Oxford. Alright, incoming in here is the 1532 Crossrail TfL rail service to... Good grief, that sounded awkward. Let me start again. The train incoming in here is the 1532 TfL rail service to London Paddington. And I think I hear noises from the track, or that might just be my imagination.
Customer information. You must wear a face covering over your nose and mouth at all times when using any TfL services and stations. It's there to protect us all. Some exemptions apply. Please Please be considerate and remember that essentials may not always be
Oops, sorry.
visible for all of us.
I was busy doing something on my phone, trying to get real-time trains open. And this is 345024. Alright, departing now is the 1532 TFOL service to London Paddington. Alright, about to thunder through here is the Heathrow Express service to Heathrow Terminal 5, and I don't have a clue what the numbers are. Alright, incoming in now is the 1538 TfL rail service to Hazen, Hollington. 345034. Alright, departing now is the 1538 TfL rail service to Hazen, Hollington. And I think the doors have closed all by now. All of them should have been closed by now. There's no train coming from the London side, so all is good. The lights are still on. Alright, incoming now and departing are two TfL rail services. This one is going to Hazen, Hollington. This one is coming in for London Paddington. And the origin point of this train that's coming in is from Hazen, Hollington as well. Or maybe, did I get that right? Or maybe I got it wrong. How can there be two trains going? Whatever, I don't even know what I'm even doing. Anyways, where this train originated from isn't important. This train is going to London Paddington, and this is worked by 345-003.
Doesn't look right. Speak to staff or text British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it.
Alright, departing now is the something service to London Paddington. In fact, actually it's the 1538. I'm still confused by what that other train was working the service for. In fact, I was mistaken. It's actually working the service to Terminal 5. And I should turn onto this side because now we have the great. Oh, hello. We have the great Western 387-161. Followed by 387-147, and that's the Heathrow Express service from Heathrow Terminal 5, and that's working the service to Didcot Parkway. Now I'm good. Okay, about to pass through here is the Great Western Cucumber from Bedwin to London Paddington. Alright, about to pass through is the Great Western Cucumber from Oxford to Paddington. Off she goes. Damn, I missed the timing. Got a two-tone from a 387. 387 148. Along with 387 158. That's working the service from Didcot Parkway to London Paddington. Alright, incoming in now is the 1550 TFO rail service to Hazen Hollington only. 345005. Hashtag number rhyme. I'm not sure if you guys can make it out, but that was a Heathrow Express 387 double. Dean like Chav, like get your word straight, Chris. It was a 38. Whatever. It was a service. It was a Heathrow Express service from London Paddington to Heathrow Terminal 5. How is that? How hard is that to say? Okay, and here we have a Great Western cucumber coming from somewhere, because real-time trains hasn't opened on me, so I'm not able to tell if I can get it to my phone. If I can get my phone to play ball. That was a service from Cheltenham Spa, and I think this train might be ready to go. I don't think it is yet. Okay, departing now is the service to Hazen Hollington only, complete with a poppy. Alright, about to arrive into the station is... Shut up!
Rail service to London Paddington.
Yep, you heard it straight from the horse's mouth.
Well, West Ealing, Ealing Broadway, Acton Main Line and London Paddington. This train is formed of 9 coaches. Due to a short platform, passengers for Hanwell should board the front 6 coaches.
Thank you very much. So, all that's left for me to do now is to call out its running numbers. And our survey says 345050. And I should keep it rolling because we're going to see my service that I take to university. This train probably departed London Paddington at 14:48, so this will be the service. This will be the service to Swansea. And this train is not hanging about at all. And the compressor fans have gone off. And there's also going to be another train coming from the west. I don't know where it really originated from. But this train should be ready to go anytime soon, I think. Please be ready. Okay, seems like you're ready, so releasing of the brakes anytime soon. There we go. Oh boy, please. Oh, and that's the Heathrow Express service to London Paddington from Heathrow Terminal 5. Will I be able to see my service? Please, I need to see the Swansea service. And there that train goes. I don't think the Swansea service has passed just yet, but I'll still keep a vigilant eye just in case it's about to thunder through when my guard is dropped. Nope, no train, no sounds coming from the tracks, so all is good. Alright, incoming in is the 1550 15:58 service to Reading. 345017. Please get the goddamn to the platform so I can see my service swipe by. In fact, yeah, you're playing ball, so yeah. Yeah, you can see the train! And this is, in fact, I think I've called out a number. Good grief, I'm really getting lousy with my commentary again. Why did you get... Alright, let me ask you this. Why did you start using scripts in your video, man? It's simple. Because you sound like a flipping idiot. So instead of muffling stuff or talking faster than your brain can process stuff, talk in a way that is in sync with your speed. And try not be at the speed of this IAT which is going to Swansea. Hi ho, Silver! Away! I just thought I would do that because that's my service that I usually take when I'm going to university. So, yeah, I did it. What are you gonna do? I don't give up. Anyways, enough of me acting like a macho doofus. I'll skip to when this train is ready to depart. Okay, departing now is a service to Reading, along with the Great Western Cucumber, working a service to Great Malvern, another prestigious town in the west of England. Oh, Dean Chavla. Well, that was the wind's way of saying hello, and also telling me that I should grip the flap on my tablet if you don't want to be disturbed. Okay, and the hypothetical final train of the day, and I say hypothetical in the sense that it might not be the last, and another train will catch me off guard. Off guard, that is. Off guards doesn't make sense. So let me just cut to the chase. This is a 345 train working a service from Reading to London Paddington, and I think I should still play it. It's a good thing I said hypothetical because the Great Western Cucumber also wants to get its own attention too, his own debut. That's working a service from Exeter to London Paddington, and this is worked by 345052. So with this train pulling in, I think I should conclude the video here. Thank you guys for watching this video, it's greatly appreciated. If you like what you've seen today, then please like, subscribe and hit the notification button so you can keep up to date with the content that will be uploaded. Also, if you leave a comment, do not worry that I don't respond to them immediately. I will when I get the chance on the opportunity to. I quite like the station. It looks quite nice, has the bright airy feel to it. I mean before the station got its upgrade from Crossrail, the station was rather feeble looking, cramped, and it was just the usual brick design. To some it was quite cute, but for the purpose that this station serves, given the sheer amount of traffic and customers that come into the station, this upgrade is very welcome, and it also helps to give the Crossrail atmosphere to provide a Crossrail atmosphere. Especially if you look at the handrails, you can notice that the colour scheme matches that of the poles on the inside. And this train is now departing for London Paddington. The ticket building itself is quite minimalistic in a modern way, but at the same time it actually does what it says on the tin, so I can't complain too much. And I think I should quit yattering because I'm tired already. This is the Great Western Cucumber coming in from Swansea. And just like usual, it's a 9-car set. So, like I said, like, subscribe and hit the notification button for more videos. And one of these days I should try some of the Indian food, as we have Heathrow. You have the Heathrow Express service on the service to Heathrow Terminal 5. And some wind to accompany me as well. So, yeah. Until you hear from me at Southall, I shall see you guys later. Peace out, guys, and take care.
It's like a noise that intensifies, like a wave